I've had the Smart Woodshop in this space now for a year, and this is the first time that I've reorganized. What has allowed me to reorganize things is adding the mobility base to my workbenches. So now my workbenches, all I have to do is flip up the wheels and I can then move them no matter how weighted down they are. Previously, the trailer was where the truck is, and then I would bring the truck in and back it right up and actually touch the bumper to the trailer door, and then the overhead door would just close. I come in the man door, and then I open up the overhead door, then I drive the truck out at the end of the day, and then I would close the trailer door and then bring the truck back in. Now I come to this space and I come in the man door and open the overhead door just for light and air. Two things have made this possible. One is making the benches mobile, and the other thing is the trailer valet. This is the tool that allows me to jockey this thing into this space. You can see where I worked it over to that side, and I put it in at a little bit of an angle so that the tongue would come right past the bathroom wall. I don't care how good you are with a pickup truck. You can't bring a trailer tongue in right up to a wall. I will make a longer form video about the mobile bases. There's another function which I'm excited to show you, but this mobility base was not the starting point. I had a different need that I started creating something similar to this for, and it was an evolution to go, well, if I do this one other thing, then I will have a mobility base and this other thing. Thanks for dropping into the Smart Woodshop. You stay safe and have a great day.